I want to talk to you about Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing versus Zoho campaigns, and which one should you go for this year? So here is our verdict. Okay, so Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing is actually the clear winner if your priority is unparalleled scalability and sophisticated features. However, and that's a big however, if you prioritize, let's say, cost effectiveness and ease of use, the Zoho campaigns shines like the sun, really. So actually, it's one of those things where when you think about the Salesforce marketing, cloud email marketing versus Zoho campaigns, the cross, let's say the nexus, the combination that you have to really focus on should be two things. You want to focus on affordability, and you want to focus on let's say sophistication of features. Okay, so on affordability, basically Zoho campaigns is actually the clear winner. But when it comes to sophistication of features, that's where Salesforce really shines. Okay, and it's one of those things where Salesforce actually is really great on many fronts. Okay, not just when it comes to cloud email marketing, but also when it comes to CRM, when it comes to when it comes to content marketing, among other things. Okay, so people love Salesforce for its advanced automation, robust analytics, and deep integration with a wide array of Salesforce products, making this the best choice to explore for your large enterprise if it seeks comprehensive data-driven campaigns. Okay. Now, one thing for sure, if you are a small business, Salesforce is definitely not for you. Zoho Campaigns offers a more budget-friendly solution with an intuitive interface and seamless integration with Zoho's suite of tools. You want to embrace Zoho Campaigns if you run a small or a mid-sized business and you want an effective and straightforward email marketing strategy. I'll go more granular. I'll explain to you actually the pros and cons of each approach, but I just wanted to give you the 411 of this comparison, so you have a clear idea of what you should go for if you want to choose either option. So what's the selection here? So why should you choose a Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing tool? It's not just about money, by the way. I think I spoke about affordability, that's for sure. But it's not just about money, it's also about scalability. Okay. So who Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing is best for? Well, if you manage a large enterprise or you have a small company that grows big time, if you have complex marketing needs, if you seek advanced automation, if you require robust analytics, if you use multiple Salesforce products, if you need extensive customization options, if you also focus on data-driven marketing strategies, if you have also significant budgets for marketing tools, then Salesforce Marketing Cloud Email Marketing is best for you. So it's not just about the budget, it's also about the vision that you have for your email marketing strategy. Now, who Salesforce Marketing Cloud Email Marketing is not best for? Well, you want to consider other alternatives in the market if you're someone who oversees a business with limited budget, if you have basic email marketing needs, if you like a Salesforce ecosystem, if you need a simple and quick setup, if you prefer minimalistic and easy to use interfaces. Why should you choose Zoho campaigns this year, by the way? Basically, let me first talk to you about who Zoho campaigns is really right for. Okay, so explore the perks Zoho campaigns hold. If you are an individual who run a startup, small or mid-sized business, you are a budget-conscious entrepreneur, you seek simplicity, you are already using Zoho's suite of tools, if you have limited marketing staff, and if you need basic email marketing features. Who Zoho campaigns is not really best for? Well, if you're someone who has a complex marketing needs, then Zoho is not right for you. If you require extensive third-party integrations, for instance, Zoho is not going to help you out. If you need advanced analytics and reporting, you also might actually be better off with another tool. If you prioritize AI-driven personalization, if you look for a deep Salesforce ecosystem integration, or if you want extensive customer support and training resources, Zoho is not the right tool for you. So let me talk about the differences here. Let's talk about the main differences between Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing and Zoho campaigns. So basically, Salesforce marketing is ideal for, let's say, personalized campaigns. So you can create and deliver highly personalized and targeted email campaigns. It's also really great for automation. So you can automate email marketing processes such as customer journeys, follow-ups, and triggered emails. It's also great for data integration. So you can integrate data from various sources to build comprehensive customer profiles. It's great also for segmentation. So you can segment your audiences based on behavior, demographics, and other criteria to send relevant content with Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing software. You also can use the tool for let's say A/B testing. So that's really good A/B testing. So you can seamlessly conduct A/B tests to optimize email content. You have analytics. You can analyze your performance of your emails with the detailed reports and dashboards. Also, scalability is really a biggie when it comes to Salesforce. You can manage large-scale email campaigns with ease. Compliance. So Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing helps you comply with global email marketing regulations. For instance, GDPR, CAN spam, among other things. You have mobile optimization. So you can create responsive emails that look good on mobile tablets, on mobile phones, tablets, or computers. So that's really cool. You also have cross-channel campaigns, so you can coordinate with email marketing with other channels like SMS, social media, and web. Now, the standout features when it comes to Salesforce: Journey Builder, Email Studio, Personalization Builder, Content Builder, A/B testing, Predictive Intelligence, Analytics Builder, Content Builder, Einstein Engagement Scoring, among other things. For Zoho campaigns, basically here is a tool that's ideal for email marketing, automated campaigns, contact management, A/B testing, analytics and reporting, integrations. So you can integrate with Zoho products and third-party applications. You have compliance. So Zoho complies with GDPR, but it's not as comprehensive as what you have with Salesforce. You have a template library within Zoho. You have social media integration. You have event triggered emails. So that's kind of cool. And so the standout features with Zoho campaigns are email deliverability reporting, list management, triggered drip sequences, customizable dashboards, standard and custom reports, pre-sent testing tools, SMS integration. So that's pretty comprehensive, especially if you are serving multiple geographies. So what are the capabilities here? When you think about Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing versus Zoho campaigns, what are the standout features you need to really think about this year? Let's first talk about Salesforce. So Salesforce has personalization capabilities, automation and journey builder. You have dynamic content, advanced analytics, and reporting. Let me break it down for you. So when I speak about personalization capabilities, Salesforce Marketing Cloud allows you to personalize emails extensively based on customer data, behaviors, preferences, and interactions. So this is a tool you need for creating highly targeted and relevant email campaigns, resulting in increased engagement and conversions. You also have automation and journey builder. So with Marketing Cloud's Automation Studio and Journey Builder, you can design and automate complex email journeys that adapt to customer actions and behaviors in real time. And so instead of worrying about how to deliver timely and personalized messages and improve customer satisfaction and retention, you allow Salesforce actually, that's really the good thing. Salesforce will handle the task for you and focus on other aspects of your business. So that's really fantastic. You also have dynamic content. So Marketing Cloud offers dynamic content features that allow you to create emails with content blocks that change based on recipients' attributes, such as location, past purchases or demographics. And finally, you have advanced analytics and reporting. So, Salesforce Marketing Cloud provides robust analytics and reporting tools you can actually leverage to track the performance of your email campaigns in real time. So that's kind of cool. What about Zoho Campaigns standout features? Well, you have a streamlined email automation. You have precise segmentation options. You have a test and optimize with A/B testing. You have deep insights with analytics, and you also have responsive email templates. So when you think about responsive email templates, you can stand out in your subscribers' inboxes with Zoho Campaigns collection of responsive email templates. Those templates look great on any device, whether the recipient views them on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. Fantastic. What are the pros and cons here? When you think about Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing, what are the pros and cons? Pros first, you have a tool that offers a robust segmentation and personalization options. That's really good, so that you are able to have an efficient process when it comes to your email marketing. The tool also provides advanced automation capabilities, integrates with Salesforce CRM, features extensive analytics and reporting features, and is also scalable for large-scale campaigns. On the flip side, Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing requires a steep learning curve. This is not a straightforward tool, okay? And the tool also charges a higher cost compared to some alternatives, that's for sure. I mean, Salesforce, I've already said it, it's not about budget only, but it's also about it's really about cost also. It's not about budget, but it's also about the vision you have. It features a complex setup and configuration. It limits out-of-the-box templates, and also you need Salesforce expertise for full utilization. So what are the pros and cons of Zoho Campaigns? So the pros first. Basically, here you have a tool that has a user-friendly interface that projects comprehensive email automation features that allows extensive segmentation options. It supports also A/B testing functionality. It also offers detailed analytics and reporting. What about the cons here? When you think about Zoho Campaigns, basically what really stands out is that basically here is a tool that limits third-party integrations and also requires a learning curve for advanced features, especially if you're not familiar with Zoho with Zoho's ecosystem. So what are the extras I want you to think about this year? When you think about Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing versus Zoho Campaigns, what are the customer reviews? Well, the good thing is customer reviews are actually, I would say, overall positive, okay? Salesforce doesn't have a reputable standing according to its customer reviews on Trustpilot, that's for sure. It has a bad rating of 1.2 out of 432 reviews. But the thing about the Salesforce is that it has a better reputation among the larger enterprises, okay? Among the mid-sized and larger enterprises. So sometimes when you go on Trustpilot or G2 or Capterra, you don't have B2B reviewers there. That's why. Because, like if you look at Zoho's score, for instance, Zoho has an excellent rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 4,756 customer reviews on Trustpilot. And most of that are small businesses and also B2C clients. Okay, so customers praise Zoho for exceeding their expectations and providing the services they actually require, which is not something that people say most of the time about Salesforce. So what are the competitors here? When you think about Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing or Zoho Campaigns, what are some of the competitors? You have Mailchimp, but you also have Adobe Marketo Engage. So when you think about Adobe Marketo Engage, this is a robust marketing automation platform that transforms how you engage with your audience throughout their journey. So as they go through the sales funnel, how you engage with them. So with Adobe Marketo Engage, you can create personalized campaigns, nurture leads, and drive revenue through targeted marketing efforts. And its intuitive interface and powerful features enable you to streamline your marketing processes from lead generation to customer retention. So whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, Adobe Marketo Engage empowers you to create meaningful connections with your audience and drive measurable results for your business. So that's kind of cool. What about MailChimp? Well, MailChimp is a versatile email marketing platform that simplifies your marketing efforts. And with its user-friendly interface and robust features, MailChimp empowers you to create, send, and track email campaigns with ease. So whether you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or a marketing professional, MailChimp actually offers customizable templates, audience segmentation tools, and insightful analytics to help you connect with your audience and actually drive results real fast. So that's really good. Plus, the cool thing is that its integration with other platforms make it a seamless addition to your marketing toolkit. And with MailChimp, you can effectively engage your subscribers and grow your business through targeted email marketing strategies. So that's really fantastic. So let me give you a few pro tips before we close to this conversation on Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing versus Zoho campaigns. So what you want to do is you always want to evaluate the scalability and complexity of your marketing operations to determine which platform aligns best with your needs, right? Because that's actually the quintessential elements you have to think about before making any choice. You also want to assess the integration capabilities of both platforms to ensure seamless compatibility with your existing systems and tools. You also want to consider your budget and total cost of ownership for each platform. So you'll want to weigh the features and functionalities against the price to really see which one works for you. And you also want to test the user experience of both platforms to gauge ease of use, for instance. And you also want to determine which interface aligns best with your team's preferences and skill level. That's really cool, especially from a scalability point of view. And one cool thing is that you can use the free trial period to explore each platform before you choose the ideal option for you. So as a recap, when deciding between Salesforce Marketing Cloud email and Zoho campaigns, you want to consider the scale and complexity of your marketing efforts, the depth of integration with your existing systems, your budget constraints, and the user experience for your team, okay? And so bottom line is if you need advanced features and scalability, Salesforce Marketing Cloud email is the way to go, that's for sure, especially if you are already using Salesforce products. However, if you are a smaller business looking for a simpler, more budget-friendly solution with good integration capabilities and user-friendly interface, Zoho Campaigns is actually the better fit this year for you. And so you want to take the time to evaluate your specific needs and priorities to make the best choice for your marketing strategy this year. In conclusion, in today's conversation, I spoke to you about Salesforce Marketing Cloud email marketing versus Zoho campaigns. I gave you our verdict, the selection, the differences, the capabilities, the pros and cons, the extras, and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.